Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Sorry, I can't with this. It's my daughter's one and I had to wear it because there's a snowman in my card today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Christmas room scene card. It is so adorable and it folds flat. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this card, and let's get started. I'm going to move all the layers and we're going to fold and burnish our base room card. This base card is 8.5 by 8.5. We're scoring at 4.25 and 4.25 on each of the sides. Fold and burnish. We're going to cut up on one of these score lines like so. Then on one of these sides we're going to cut off maybe about 1/2 inch, and then at about a 45-degree angle cut off these sides here. From the inside of this piece where you made that cut to the end here, I want you to make one score line, fold it up and score it back like this. Then we're going to stick this all together. I'm placing some glue right here and sticking it on the outside of this like so. And that's the reason why you cut this at a 45-degree angle, so it wouldn't be stuck on your score line. And now you have your room scene. Beautiful. This is going to be the front of your card, so I'm just going to put a little F, because what you don't want is to stick it here and then the person is trying to open the card. Let's start layering this card. I'm going to put the card aside. We're going to get the layers ready and then we're going to design them. We have 1, 2, 3 for the inside walls and floor of our card. And the front of our card is going to be pretty simple because this front doesn't get displayed. It's just going to be these two. I'm going to put this aside as well. Let's design this. I want this here and this here, and this is going on the bottom like so. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this diagonally. I'm going to now design these. So for the design of these, I've made these little things. We're going to score this every 1/2 inch, right? We're going to take this and on every 5th one, we're going to cut half, right? So it's going to be like this. You need 4 pieces and then a half. So I'm going to do it like this. We're going to cut this piece off because we don't need this anymore. We're going to stick this like so, fold it in, put some glue, and then fold this one in so that we have this little tiny box. Okay, so we have all our little cute little fold outs, and let's see how this works out here. This is already so beautiful. All I'm going to do is add some little features to the top just to make it a little more interesting to the top here, to this design, and that's all I'm doing here. And now for this one, this is where we'll need these things. So I'm going to add a nutcracker, a Christmas tree, and a snowman. Some features to the top just like the last one. And also this. And how I'm going to add these, I'm going to add these using these things. So we're going to stick this onto the full back of the snowman, so when he's folded down you don't see it. So we have our designs and they look really beautiful. I'm gonna stick these onto these and then we'll design the card. Let's design the front of the card. I'm going to stick this just to the middle here like so, using some dimensionals. We're done with all our layers. Now let's decorate our card. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this Christmas room scene card. It is so amazing and perfect. If you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends, and have a Merry Christmas. Yay!